Good morning, Belle. Good morning, baby. How you doing, Belle? Sweet baby Belle. Sweet baby Belle. Meet Belle, my quail. Sweet baby Belle. Hey, sweet Bubby. Hey. Sweet baby Belle. Oh, Belle. Say hey, Belle. This is my boy. You want some pussy for breakfast? You want some pussy for breakfast? This nigga is the horniest bird I've ever had. Oh my gosh. This nigga worse than chickens. Oh! Say hello to Lexi. This is the girl, the cutie of the bunch. The little bad little bitty, the little bad little birdie. She's fidgety. She like to play hard to get. Ain't that right, mama? You like to play just a little bit hard to get. You know Belle wants some pussy, right? You should give him some. He's very aggressive when it comes to you. Hear him calling for that pussy right now. He said that body's calling. Ooh.
Yeah, put that right there.
I don't even know how to put it in.
Let me show you what autumn lonely nights in this cage is like, huh? Autumn lonely nights in that cage is like, girl, I protect you, I love you. Soft as feathers, girl, I need you.
That's it? Belle, get back, I need a real man.
Come on, girl. Let me get on that motherfucker. Let me get on that thing now, girl. Let me get on that motherfucker
I'm finna
now.
beat your ass, Belle.
Look.
You ain't tired of you goddamn
Look, she got his head caught. Come here. Ha, ring around the rosy on that ass. Come here. Look, she got your stupid ass again. Got your ass caught up again. Stupid ass. Peck, pop, pop, pop. Bitch ass nigga, bitch ass. She not fucking with you.